Hi there. I would like to wish you Happy New Year. 2024 will be your best year. And also, I would like to wish you that you have an amazing health, of course, that you focus on your goal and you find maybe the love of your life or you maintain those happiness moments. Let's talk about what happened in 2023. 2023 was the year of automatization and artificial intelligence. This is the year that most people started to automate their sales outreach. This is the year that also in marketing start to have more hyper personalization of content, of messages. Now you have tools or process to help you to automate your leads to make sure that they're more qualified and all this that you can work from home. If you're not using those tools, you're still working a lot of hours, spending probably 10 hours a week on tasks, just doing follow-up. You will be out of breath because right now, people are starting to use those tools. So 2023 was really the year that processes, software, outreach start to change. So what's next for 2024? So this is the year that work smart, not hard, start to apply. All your tasks, all your outreach, your sales needs to be updated with AI and automation. I'm telling you, that can change your life. What if you can focus 10 hours of your week on something that you like or something that it will bring you more money than just writing messages? Also, if you're in business or in sales, cold calls doesn't work anymore. LinkedIn and social media should be part of your strategy. You should rely on 3 strategies. Social media must be part of your strategy. AI is a non-negotiable this year. If you're not ready to adopt this, I'm telling you, your competitors are already adopting this or already using this. So you will be game over. So stop resisting, try to embrace this, and you will see how this will help you. So this year, 2024, it's the year that it's time to level up. Don't be game over. Don't be behind because you resist to new change. So this month, if we can help you, we'll have also some live event to help you to understand at least what is LinkedIn, how LinkedIn can help you. How can you work if you're in sales, business, or recruiters? How can you work from home with the help of powerful tools? So we'll have 2 workshops, one in French, one in English this month. If we can help you, we have a lead gen solution to make sure that people can have qualified lead. So I wish you all the best. I wish you your best year, and I hope I will see you soon. Thank you.